please. Come. I got it. What do you like? Let me see. Pasta.
Ooh la la.
Pasta and snails, please. Okay.
Delicious.
Little bit of bananas. I need my spaghetti.
Yes!
Gracias. Spaghetti. Mamma mia. Did you not know I was French?
Uh-oh!
Oh, stupid. Work out the recipe.
Okay.
Waiter, where is my food?
Voila!
He touched my food. Where is the manager?
Ha ha ha! I'm the manager.
What?
Music, please.
La 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 la. No singing in my restaurant.
What in Paris we sing?
I said no singing!
Okay.
Where is my food?
It's here. I need to put sauce on.
Hurry, chop chop.
Gotcha! Slap tomato on. And some cheese. But it's spicy strong. Voila! Here we go, madam.
Ooh, spinach in my pasta. Who put spinach in pasta? Where is my snails?
Oh, okay.
Take it away. Make me some pizza.
No problem.
You can't go wrong with pizza.
It's see me. One way.
How am I letting him cook my food? He can't even cook properly. Ooh la la.
Put it in the oven.
I'm thirsty.
What?
What do you like?
I would like the strawberry milkshake, please.
Okay.
Come on, hurry up.
Here you go, miss.
Finally, something good about this place.
Oh no, my pizza.
Get it out. I hope you haven't burned it.
Oh no, it's hot. I need my little globe. Gotcha. Let's put it on.
Okay.
Pizza is it?
What is this? It's a mashed pizza. I'm not paying for this.